Your remote not working all the time, or having to get closer to the vehicle to make sure it works on your Dodge Caravan? Let's see if we can save you some money. So let's stop worrying and let's change the battery first. Before calling a locksmith or going to the dealership, I'll show you step by step in this video with no special tools, and all you need is a CR2032 battery. Take your remote, you got your emergency key release right there. It's spring loaded, so you're going to pull that towards you, and when you do, the key came out this side, you got an indentation right there. Take the tip of your key, put it in there, and gently pry the two halves apart. And you notice it split open. Pull them apart gently. Notice the two halves came apart. Push down right here. Make sure it's seated. Take your emergency key blade, if you don't have a fingernail, and pop that battery right out. Now, we're going to put a new battery in. I use these. A good quality name. This is not product placement nor a sponsorship. Positive side, put it in, push down, push right there on those metal tabs, and let's snap this thing back together. If everything was put back right and seated properly, there you go. Hey, if you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, a like, and remember, let's stay safe out there.